Hey guys, it's Rob from Hypop and welcome back to another video as part of our Did You Know series, where we go through some of the best features of our top photo and video lighting products and accessories. In this one, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Spectrum Aurora Max 47-inch LED ring light. Did you know that the Spectrum Aurora Max is 47 inches in size, or approximately 120 centimeters? It's one of the biggest ring lights available on the market today. It's perfect for use in masterclasses, workshops, trade shows or exhibitions. You can use it as a photo booth, also at events such as weddings, anniversaries, or birthday parties. As well as being used by photographers, videographers, and filmmakers. Its main advantage over the smaller ring lights is that it's ideally used for groups of people. Did you know that the Spectrum Aurora Max has 1,408 individual LEDs? The LEDs are split evenly amongst the 3,000 Kelvin or soft orange LEDs and the 5,500 Kelvin or soft daylight LEDs. So that means there are 704 individual LEDs for the soft orange and 704 LEDs for the daylight. You can control the color temperature from 3,000 Kelvin to 5,500 Kelvin at 10K intervals. You can also control the intensity of the light from 1% to 100% at 1% increments. Did you know that you can pair the Spectrum Aurora Max with a range of different accessories, including backdrops and backdrop stands? We use paper backdrops or cotton muslin backdrops. You can also pair it with a tablet stand, so you can mount a tablet in the middle of the ring light to use as a shooting device, as well as a smartphone, and also a camera tripod. The large size at the center of the ring light allows for multiple devices to be mounted so you can actually shoot through the ring light without obstructing the light view. Did you know that the Spectrum Aurora Max comes in a total of 3 bags? 2 bags are for the heavy duty light stands, one bag includes the ring light, as well as the control panel and cables. These can easily be stored away or transported for use at on-location events and easily carried by a single person. Did you know that the Spectrum Aurora Max kit setup includes two heavy-duty 260cm light stands. You can position those light stands to the certain height that you need it to, and also use the tilting brackets on the side of the ring light to adjust the tilt angle of the actual ring light itself. You can angle the ring light, or you can have it completely horizontal to be used in flat lay photography, or if you're wanting to create dramatic lighting effects for your photos and videos. So that was just some quick tips on the Spectrum Aurora Max 47-inch LED ring light. We also have an unboxing and review video which we'll link up above or down in the description below. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Follow us on social media at Hypop. Leave down in the comment section below your thoughts on the Spectrum Aurora Max ring light, as well as giving the video a big thumbs up, and also visit our website, hypop.com.au. Thanks for watching.